I'll see if I can.
Come on in.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Can I recess? I
Not allowed.
haven't smoked in marijuana.
I don't care. They all say that. It's in your system, sir. Vernon Williams.
That's fine, Your Honor.
That's it.
That's what I first name on it. It's my passion.
Those priors go on and on and on. So that's you, Vernon Williams?
Yes, sir.
You're charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. But all the priors, this is showing that you are an habitual felon, which means you're looking at a minimum of 25 years in prison to life. You understand?
Yes, very serious. Yeah.
I mean, it was.
Understand.
You were a habitual felon 2 convictions ago. Since 2018. So here we are. Yes. Announcement.
We can get about 4 weeks from now, so I can get something straight down on this. It's not, I don't, yeah,
It's fine.
yeah. We need more time to just help work out, get it resolved.
Yeah. Okay, I'll reset it. 4 weeks, get it resetting. Have a seat right over here, please. Probation.
Yes. Not on the highlighted next one, please.
Let's put him in the penalty box. Thank you. He's got drugs in this arrest.
2 very boring minutes later.
You tested positive for marijuana? Yeah, they all say that, but it's in your system. And it's the way it is. Shouldn't even be around it.
Did you teach you? Yeah, you know, I was just. Go ahead. Oh, yeah, next file.
Mr. Williams. All right. Okay. I'm Vernon Watson. You've tested positive for tetrahydrocannabinol marijuana. That is, it's a crime to imbibe and possess marijuana. It's in your system. It's going to affect your bond. You have a $50,000 bond and a GPS device right now. Is that right?
Yes.
Is that what I just?
Yes.
Let me ask you.
All right. Yeah, he's got a GPS device, right?
Right, yeah.
And, all right. Well, you tested positive. It's a $50,000 bond. It is revoked. You are now $100,000. Plus, you must have a drug patch at all times as a condition of your bond.
Your Honor, I know he says not THC. He says he hasn't used any products, but he does have a medical marijuana card. And he hasn't used any, but he has a card that allows him to do that medically. I mean, I know the court has a different feeling on that.
I do.
I understand that, but I'm just saying that this is something that there's a medical.
I'm sorry. Your bond's revoked, period. It's the way it is. Drugs on my watch and Not
I
allowed.
haven't smoked marijuana.
I don't care if they all say that. It's in your system, sir. Everybody
Is there a
says that.
chance it'd be
And wouldn't you, don't you think if somebody would just say, I've never done this, can I go home now? That would be pretty simple, but that's not the way it works.
Yes.
We test, if it's in your system, shame on you. And I didn't grant it. I don't allow it. And, that's the way it is. Y'all got to figure that out. His bond is revoked. And is it set? We said this for trial, right?
No, not yet, Your Honor. No.
Figure out what we're going to do.
We we had a reset for 4 weeks for announcement, Judge.
Okay.
Quicker than that.
You're taken into custody. Period. That's the way it is. Robert Chase on?
See if I can-
Come on in.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Can I recess? We are not.
I'm sorry.
having
That's-
marijuana. I promise.
Sir, everybody says that, but the tests are scientific and I rely on the scientific tests.
Yes, sir. I have a marijuana card, but I still haven't smoked it. I haven't smoked.
Sir, you tested positive for marijuana. I'm going to rely on the science.
Well, back okay.
I'm going to rely on science. Sorry. But your lawyer's going to talk to you.
Yeah, I do.
There's some things we might be able to do.
Yeah.
But right now, all of them. And Mr. Chason, you are positive for marijuana as well.
Yes, sir.
I just recently quit 2 weeks ago. I should be quitting.
I did.
Your bond is $20,000 on each case, 2 cases. They're doubled to $40,000 on each case. The
Yes.
bond to revoke, they're doubled. Plus, you must have a drug patch at all times. And next time, if you can post this, it'll double after that when I test for you. But you don't come to court
Yeah.
on drugs, period, in the ballgame. I'll give you, you get a copy of this.
Yeah, I think on the top.
What are we doing on him next?
We originally set it for trial docket.
Oh, it's set for trial, and he can sit down and drop in jail. waiting. That's the goal.
I'm Steinberger, your Billy Martin, I want to fire you, and we'll see you about that.
Well, what do you plan to do with your life when all of this is behind you?
What I plan to do with my life,
I mean, are you going to make the world a better place?
Oh, absolutely.
And for the record, ma'am, I couldn't get to that because I was already incarcerated. So I don't see how, if I was already incarcerated when I had the disorderly conduct and when I had a whole, court date and everything, I talked to the,
Mr. Travis, I'm going to ask you one more time because now, just previously, you told me that you were at a gas station on this date, engaging
No,
in
I'm
behavior.
talk-
which
I'm talk-
Stop! I'm still speaking.